Head up. Kitty. Shit.
And I ain't got my gloves on. And I ain't got my damn gloves on.
Chase Scruggs. You ready?
Alright. You start. Alright, listen. Hey, no, let's start. I'm about to go head up in this bitch. You think he's stronger than me and shit? You start here. Nigga, we both start right here. That ain't enough room for the impact, though. That ain't enough room for impact.
So who's gonna be the runner first?
You start here. I'll be the runner first. Hey, no, we about to go head up.
I know. Head up.
Wait, me running. Head up. Wait, so somebody's got to be the hitter first. Somebody's got to be the right. Y'all can't just block. We ain't even the fucking blocking guy.
Right, blocking. If you're the O-line, D-line, I can hit. Swim, spin.
So all you have to do is push each other. So what y'all gonna do?
I gotta get like a.
Oh, so there's gonna be moves in this bitch now?
No, he's just going head up, head up.
Both y'all just head up.
Head up.
Head up. Don't go for no legs. Alright, I want to teach you. Hell no, I throw my leg up in his bag. Don't go for
Alright, you can start from way back there. I'll start from right there. Right there.
ready.
Y'all going head up. Watch out, LJ!
Wait.
What? If I can get me right.
Come on, man. Y'all
You're going head up.
Hit me.
Hey, both y'all.
Ready?
Alright, hey, you want me to count it or you want to count it? Y'all ready? You gonna count it or I'm gonna count it? Hey, I'm gonna say 5, 4, 3. Alright, and then you say hit, alright?
Forward!
5!
Forward!
Can I see that ball?
Hell yeah. This on. This on.
LJ got this boy started.
Uh-oh.
They gotta get it finished.
Right. Like.
Me and LJ got this boy started, now somebody gotta finish it. Alright.
Hey, back up, LJ. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up, LJ. Messing up the view. Watch out, Herb. Watch out, hey, watch out. Y'all in the way. Hey, LJ, watch out.
Hey, I'm gonna count it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright. One more. Next round. Let's go. Alright, now Mike run it.
Mike running.
Hey, them pads, they passed in here though.
Uh-oh.
Here we go. I'm gonna say go.
Yeah, alright, and it's slow.
Hey, y'all better take off. I'm gonna say go. Ready? Wait, 5. Hold on. Just keep that shit recording. I gotta wait. Just keep it recording and hit pause or something. Oh, no, you got 2 minutes.
I'm recording this shit for this on YouTube. Nah.
Come on, man. No.
Mike! He hurt you. You're not even allowed to come back to the lunch for like 3 weeks.
Shut up, come on. All right, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit! Oh shit! You see that? You see that? I got it all on camera!
Down goes Frazier.
You said you want that? But you didn't tackle me though. But you didn't even try me.
Hey, go again, rematch.
No.
We go rematch.
Y'all doing it right? Who running?
Oh yeah.
Slow motion.
Yeah, I ain't even wrap up though.
You just got trucked.
Oh, shit. Knock this nigga out, Mike. You just trucked him. Now you gotta hit him.
They both hit like this. They better die. Who's gonna get the shoulder pass back?
Chase, just get low and run him over like he just did you.
You can't do it.
Oh, okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Mike, go run it again. Mike, run it again. Mike, run it again. Oh, shit.
14. 14. Oh, yeah, 14. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Stick his legs out.
Bitch, I got lower than him. How am I supposed to get lower than a bitch?
Because you're my bitch, come on.
Bitch, I fucking licked
Stand
you.
up, come on.
Oh, he said go again.
Damn, hey, we still got the truck on camera. We still got the truck on the camera.
Ain't no. Ain't no late. Because if you go to your nails, you're gonna break your nails.
Just run through his ass.
Your knees.
Chase, just run through his ass. Run through his ass, Chase.
Go. Y'all lost. 3, 2, 1, go. Now, bitch.
But you said don't go to your knees. We just went head up.
No, look. Like I said, I ain't gonna put my foot twice. Go to the NFL truck. Mike. Mike said now, bitch.
Anybody, we gonna head up and I don't tackle them.
Mike said now, bitch, and push his shit.
I mean, come on, bro. You're like, don't hit my leg, don't wrap up.
Alright, who's that?
We just did went head up, stupid.
LJ should be movie maker. You send the movies out.